I feeling this way? Why am I feeling so down? Or why am I feeling so overloaded?
COVID-19 is taking a toll on people's mental health.
I think COVID has done that to a lot of people who normally don't think of themselves as having, mental health issues.
Just a few months into the pandemic, the CDC released a study where 40% of American adults reported struggling with mental illness or substance abuse.
The social isolation, the not being able to see people, the bad news coming, left, right, the things that have been going on in our country beyond COVID have really impacted people.
Symptoms of anxiety were 3 times more prevalent than in 2019, and depression was found to be 4 times as much.
It's just really important to know that a lot of people are feeling that way, that it's almost in some ways normal, but to know that it's okay to do something to take care of yourself, just like you would if you had a physical health problem.
According to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, anxiety disorders affect over 18% of the population every year.
This year magnified like or just intensified everything, especially near the beginning because it was just like, we didn't know what we were dealing with when the whole thing started.
Despite his increased anxiety and depression, Ali Saeed found a way to turn it into an opportunity for growth.
As I was losing that social interaction, like the isolation kind of helped me look into myself a little more.
To help him cope with his mental struggles, Saeed turned to something he loved.
The one thing that always kept me grounded was making music.
Music therapist Aaron Seibert once said that music is one of the longest standing self-prescribed therapy in history. Saeed would agree that music has been his form of therapy, and he's even given a special name to his coping strategy.
I would just like sit, meditate, musically meditate, song making. That's I like to call song making musically meditating.
Whether you musically meditate or simply just take a deep breath, remember that if you're coping with mental illness during the pandemic, you're not alone. Call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, which can be reached at the number on the screen. Reporting for Florida Focus, I'm Emma Oliver.